got women here where energy goes down pretty quickly during the day. Hormones are shifting. What are small changes, specific changes maybe, that they could do to their cooking that makes it healthier?
Besides the default of when in doubt, add vegetables, especially for more texture and crunch and chew, I would recommend adding some of the plant-based protein to a meal. So say the standard meal that everybody's familiar with, some animal protein, maybe potato or rice or pasta, and then vegetables. So if that carbohydrate portion was half of the potatoes and then maybe some black beans or some chickpeas or some lentils, then that would increase the protein in the meal and the fiber. Yeah, the nutrient density. I'm a big fan of, instead of having one protein in the meal, maybe experimenting with adding 2, 3 to up to 5 different sources of protein. So it's not adding more volume per se, but it's just variety in textures and chew and different sources of protein.